We're here at the PPE workshop and we're getting ready to make modifications to this 2007 Duramax. Here's a stack of a few of the parts that we'll be putting on the truck. We're going to go into detail as we install them. We started by removing the bumper, the fender liners, radiator and intercooler. Next we're removing all of the hoses and wiring so we can get the motor mounts unbolted and take the motor out. Okay, we've got the cherry picker in place and we're pulling out the motor. So this is the LBZ engine. We're going to be changing out the exhaust manifolds here. We're going to change out the up pipes. We're going to pull the heads off, do ARP head studs, Victor Rein's head gaskets. We'll be using these ARP head studs and the upper end gasket kit and the Victor Rein's Molly head gaskets. Look at the pan on this Duramax. That's about as rusty as you can get. We'll be changing that out with the PPE deep oil pan. So Miguel's got the turbocharger off, the intake off, and all the fuel system. Next we'll be unbolting the valve covers and taking off the heads. You can see right here, these are the original head gaskets back from 2006. These little guys are the injectors. LBZ injectors. A little dirty right now, but we'll get them cleaned up. And they'll look amazing. And CP3 pump. So Drew, what are you doing there?
Parts are clean out of the hot tank. Have a little bit more to go, but they're getting there.
All right.
This is what the dirty one looks like.
Wow, look how black that is. It's pretty easy. Like new. All right, thank you. So here's an update of the progress. We've got the new water pump on, the heads are on with the new head gaskets, the ARP head studs. We got the PPE exhaust manifolds on there. Valves are adjusted. And next up is the installation for the up pipes. Earlier in the build, we had trouble with this glow plug here. So we got the other 7 out real easy. We put those back in, and then for the install, we used one brand new one. Hey Drew, the build looks like it's coming along just fine. The only thing though, this turbo's looking kind of old and tired.
I agree.
Is there something we can do about that?
Yeah, I think so. I think a Garrett Stage 1 would look good on this thing.
Cool, do you have one?
Yeah, we do. Right over here.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, it's a beautiful piece.
That thing is sexy. Woo, look at that. Let's bolt that thing on and give it a try.
Let's do it.
Okay. Okay, we've got the ZF transmission here, and on the side it has PTO covers. We're going to be taking off these crusty old rusty ones and dressing it up with the cast aluminum PPE plates. Here you can see the PPE deep engine pan. It holds an additional quart and has a flat bottom for a complete drain out. On the transmission, we installed the PPE PTO covers, add additional cooling, and they look great. In the cab, we mounted 3 gauges. We've got the fuel rail pressure, boost pressure, and exhaust gas temperature. That way we can see what's going on with the engine when we're under full load and making big horsepower. Right up front, you'll notice the dual fueler kit. It's where we add a second CP3 pump to the fuel system. We've got a stage 1 Garrett turbo here. It's a 37 millimeter. And then a little bit deeper, it's kind of hard to see, but we've got ARP head studs. We've got Victor Ryan's head gaskets, PP exhaust manifolds, PP up pipes, and the PP down pipe. It's a pretty nice installation. Should be making about 500 to 600 horsepower. We finished installing the engine for Mohammed Al Sabah. Next I'll go over a few of the highlights. We added black Rhino wheels and Mickey Thompson Deegan 38 tires. In the cab, we added 3 gauges. We've got fuel rail pressure, boost pressure, and exhaust gas temperature. We have several upgrades under the hood. We've got the PPE dual fueler, the Manhummel crankcase ventilation filter. We increased the turbo hot pipe going to the intercooler. We increased the turbocharger to the Garrett Stage 1, it's a GT37. We upgraded the intake, the S&B dry filter. Kind of see it right inside here. We upgraded the intercooler with the PPE studded intercooler. In this area you can get a glimpse of the downpipe. It's a titanium wrapped stainless steel downpipe. And here you can get a view of the PPE exhaust manifolds and the stainless steel up pipes. Just arrived at the port. We're going to unload the truck and get it ready to send off to Kuwait. In Kuwait, they're going to do the rest of the body work, some interior work, and just give it that final few touches to make it look amazing.
جزاكم الله بخير. معاكم حسين من جراج ذا كيوز. طبعا الوانيت تو واصل لنا الونيت ان شاء الله عليه يعني ما في ولا غلطه، ولكن شوي الصدمات له هني. هذا اللي شايفينه انتم كله رايح من الصدى، فاضطرينا نقص. طبعا قبل لا نقص راح ناخذ القاص القديم اللي هو اوريدي احنا خذيناه، قصينا اللي كان متآكل وردينا سوينا دايمنشن عليه وخذينا الجديد. طبعا للحين ما خلصنا الحروف، للحين ما خلصت، ولكن احنا بشكل مبدئي الحين ركبناه وتالي عاد نسوي الحروف. طبعا كله متاكل هو الصوب هذا. اليوم لنا علاج على قولتهم، قصيناه سوينا له فرزه نفس اللي كانت وركبناها، ولكن داخل للحين هني الصوب هذا شوفون للحين ما اللحم، لازم نبطل ودي عشان اللحم. هني هذا كله كان رايح، هذا كله كان رايح، هذا كله نقص ونفس الحرف القديم تركب. هذا الباب طبعا تبدل، باب صوب السايق بدلنا الصوب الثاني. هذا الباب اللي قبل كان متعور، شوفونه شويه يعني نقدر نصلحه، ولكن نبي نركب شيء مو متعور. هذا المدير تبطل هني، هذا المدير الصاحي هنا راح يركب مكان القديم.